Hello, my planner friends. Today's video is going to be another plan with me, and I am using a Halloween kit because I started doing this thing last year where I do a Halloween kit in February, and I really like it. Most of the time it's like I don't know, a frilly fancy pink purpley type of kit that I do in February that's Halloweeny, if that makes sense. So today that's what we're going to do, and I am back in my horizontal planner. I am drawing out my layouts using my little stencil here, and I have been really liking this horizontal like journal style layout. I was deciding if I wanted to use a different color pen or like marker, but then I just went with the gray marker that I use, and I think I'm moving more towards in this using just the stuff that comes with kits. So like either foiled icons or the icons in the kits and, you know, things like that. I'm not really using character stickers. That's what those are called. Character stickers. I feel like in one of my last plan with me's I couldn't think of the name of those things, but character stickers. That's what I've been doing. So I just draw my layout there using a little template that I made, and then I will tuck away my my marker, and then pull my layout out and get to journaling, I guess, or get to planning, I guess. That planner cover, I have a DIY on my channel for that planner cover. It's made with Dollar Tree wall decals and a Dollar Tree chopping mat. I'm having some struggles here with my recording device, but a Dollar Tree chopping mat and Dollar Tree wall decals. Those wall decals you could also use for like on your laptop. I had some left over from that, and I put them on my cover for my little Surface Go, and it looks so cute. Those butterflies are just amazing. So $1.25 tree, $1.25 tree for the win. It was like a $2 DIY. It was really cool. So I am going to lay down some washi tape, and I am using some washi tape from the kit. I love pulling in the washi tape from the kit because it kind of brings it all together, even if I'm using like outside washi or whatnot. And especially the split washi that a lot of shops are doing now is really helpful to, I don't know, have some extra washi tape, I guess, to kind of tie in everything, even though I'm using outside washi tape. I know I just said that like twice the same way, but it kind of ties in the whole theme, you know, because it's a pattern that's used in the spread. What am I trying to say? It's a pattern that's used in the design of the planner kit, yada yada, blah blah blah. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So I pull in some grid washi. I have some, I think it's print pression bow washi, maybe, and then I pull in this black trick or treat washi. I think it's a little bit too much, but I really wanted to use and I also pull in this holographic spider web washi, I think, but I wanted to use this because it was Halloween and I didn't get to use it. I didn't really use it last year, I don't think. I don't even remember. How was I planning? Oh, I was still doing vertical planning last year for Halloween, which I still really liked. I'll leave a link to some videos. I was doing like checklists across the top, and then the deco boxes, the full boxes in the middle, and then using the bottom for like memory keeping or my character stickers, my icon stickers, things like that. I did really like the way that I was doing that, but I am really liking doing this more horizontal journal-y type of layout now. And yeah, I think this is print pression washi, but mainly I start off with putting down the washi tape first, and then I move into the date covers, which I don't really use the date covers from the kits anymore. I kind of use the like clear foiled date covers because I think those they look better because I've already got so much stuff on the page. Oh, I forgot, in this my monitor stopped working for some reason, so I'm just doing this like planning this blind, like hoping that you are in frame. But yeah, so this is date covers. I'm sorry, I'm saying and everything so much. Date covers from Rose Colored Daze. These are foiled date covers that are on like a roll. I really like them. I have a whole bunch of foils still yet from, you know, Rose Colored Days had a foil subscription, and I had that. I was subscribed to that for a while, so I have a whole bunch of foil from that. I have a whole bunch of foil on rolls. I have a whole bunch of foil that's, you know, on paper as well. Those like foil kits from Scribble Prints Co, Crest Press, etc., etc. I have a whole bunch of those still yet, so I'm trying to use them, and I think that looks really, really cool when it comes to you know, planning in this horizontal style anyway. Like I really do like it. I think it looks really, really awesome. And so yeah, so I do my sticker or my washi kind of clustering, and then I do my date covers, and then I go and decide what are the boxes that I'm going to use sort of as accent boxes, and I end up putting the full box overlays, like the bougie boxes or the underlays, I guess, over those and then punching them out with my circle punch. I think my circle punch does not want to punch through all the layers of this of the like stickers, like the sticker backing, the foil sticker, and then also the paper sticker. So I just kind of use it to make like an indent. It doesn't want to, it will not punch through all the way. So then I just cut it out. But then I use these as like accents, I guess, and I focus mainly on the more fuller full boxes. If it's got just a pattern or something like simple in the background, then I will use it as like an accent box or whatnot. And sometimes even if a kit has a lot of elements to it, I can get multiple spreads out of, you know, one sticker kit. And I did that last week for Valentine's Day using a really old Cyber Monday from SPC that I had used ages and ages and ages ago as well. So, I honestly though have not been keeping up with my weekly spread. I have loved to decorate it, but I'm also in my daily a lot. So I don't really keep up with my weekly, and I need to just use it for like to-do lists or something, because I also put a weekly in my daily planner, which is in a mini happy planner, because I was thinking I don't know what's happening this week, and that's what I'm using my weekly planner for, like this planner here, my classic size planner, is to know what's going on this week. But I was finding myself not even looking at it because I am using my dailies, you know, during the week for the most part. So yada yada blah blah blah. But yeah, I want to do kind of a plan with me in my mini daily planner, but I haven't really figured out how I'm going to do that quite yet, because I use that as a daily planner but then also kind of like a listing journal and all that kind of stuff. So again, just cutting some stickers apart here because my punch is not quite working. I don't know if I need to get a new one or if it's just not going to work at all. But yeah, so I'm finding this is a great way to reuse, or not reuse, but use up a lot of my vertical planning stuff. It's become, I think we're going into, a lot of people are going into more of a journal style with planning, and a lot of shops have kind of moved onto that. Like they kind of get it and they're kind of making kits that go along with that. I am someone that's like, what if I want to go back to vertical planning, because I'm just so indecisive. I feel like, and I think I've said this before in another video, but like in 2020 or 2021, I was like all vertical planning. I loved it. It was like, it made so much sense to me. And then in 2022, I didn't really plan that much because I was pregnant. And then now I'm like flipping back and forth. What do I want to do type of thing. So I hope that I can get back into this planner because I have been loving the layouts. But yeah, I use bottom washi, you know, the bottom washi foil overlays. I trim it up. I end up using the headers as sort of a washi style decor kind of thing. What happens here is I end up cutting off the two asterisks at the end. Oh, this kit is from Planning Choco, and then the foil overlay is from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I'm sure it was from one of the subscriptions that I got, and I just really liked it for this Halloween spread because it has moons and stuff in it. It's really cute. So yeah, I actually canceled my subscriptions, all my subscriptions except for Shop Jessica Hearts, just because I love photo kits and I could not bring myself to cancel that subscription. But I have so many kits from so many different like sticker shops. Pink Diamond Planner Co. I have a lot. SPC I have a lot, and I'm just like, I don't need to be on their subscriptions anymore. I really don't. I need to use up a lot of my stuff. I don't know. I haven't bought. Have I? I don't think I have. I haven't bought a sticker kit except for like the subscriptions that I have, which doesn't matter because I've bought other planner stuff, but I haven't bought a sticker kit in ages, like this year at all, I don't think, because I don't need them. I have so many. And I'm going through on my channel and doing a flip through of my sticker storage and how I'm setting it up. So I have a spring, summer, fall, winter, and then anytime storage. And so my spring setup and like kit lineup should be, I think it is already up on my channel, so I'll leave a link to that as well. But I mean, those are all previous, you know, kits from previous years. So I'm just gonna, or I don't know, previous time periods. I'm gonna go and use those. And then if I need to replenish something, I will just buy something else. Like, for example, I have a crap ton of Christmas kits, but like if I had went through all my Christmas kits, I would need to buy more Christmas kits for this year. I only have a few Easter related things, and I think honestly I only have one Easter kit. So next year I'm probably gonna have to buy an Easter kit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try and use all of my stuff even as we get into Halloween, because I was doing this type of kit lineup planning storage starting of fall in 2022. So even when we get to fall this year, I don't think I'm going to need any more kits unless some like artwork comes out that I really really want. But I don't think I'm going to need any more kits. Plus I have my own, which I need to upload the Patreon printable, but I have my own printables, photo kits and stuff on Patreon that I use and am starting to try to use. So I don't I could just make myself a kit. Which, let me know, I have like various places. I have a Patreon. Then on here on YouTube, I think I can have not a subscription, a like join or a channel membership type of thing. I also think that Super Thanks has been enabled on my channel. So I'm gonna try and start saying that if you like these videos, if you like what I have to say, if you like whatever you're seeing, consider subscribing, consider giving a super chat, or a super thanks or whatever it is, or saying thanks, because that really helps out my channel to keep me being able to make videos and stuff for you all. So, tangent, but I have different places that I can have different like memberships on, and I don't know if I should keep everything on Patreon, or if I'll get overwhelmed with it, or if I should do a little something something on maybe Instagram, like maybe because my Patreon is $3 a month, so I'm thinking maybe I could do Instagram like $1, and then maybe YouTube like $1 or something, and have something little that also goes out every month for you guys for supporting, like another little printable or another little something something something. I don't know if I should keep that like all over on my Patreon. I feel like because I'm on different platforms that it might be better to be on all of those platforms, but I don't know if that's going to be too much or if it's kind of dumb, I guess. I don't know. So I went through, did my washi, did my sticker clusters and my headers, and now I'm going to go through, I found some more washi on this. It's like a scallop. So I'm going to add that as well. But then I go through and I think I do my checklists and the like half boxes or whatever, to give myself places to write on my, I don't know, spread. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The one thing I didn't use in this spread was a weekend banner. I didn't really like the weekend banner on either of the kit or the foil pack. I didn't really like the weekend banner on any of those. What I really do like is, like, if I'm using a Squirrel Prince Co. kit, I will use a foil and the foiled weekend banner over the weekend banner in the kit, and they fit, and it's just nice and it's pretty. So I'm going to end up trimming down these heart checklists because they are too long, but they seem to line up pretty good with the lines on the paper that I'm using. And I also think I did date this. I have not been dating my planner, and I don't even know what days are. I need to start like doing that, because I just won't, because I know it's for what week, you know what I mean? And I just won't do it. So I need to start doing that, because I have 2 weeks where I'm like, is this January? Is this February? I don't even know. But it's hard because I'm using the foil headers or the foil date covers. I can't just write on it. And then I'm like, do I have my date stickers and yada yada blah blah blah. So I end up doing something really really stinky here, where I put all of the full boxes that have patterns on them, because I thought they all had patterns and they didn't. And I put all the half boxes that had the patterns on one side, and then the solid color ones on the other side, and I try to peel them up, and then it doesn't work. So, but I think I put at least one on each day, and it kind of just makes it kind of balanced or whatever. This whole spread is just kind of trying to figure out a balance between the 2 pages. And that can be hard to kind of achieve. You can see I just grabbed another full box and put that down. And I think I do put another full box on the other side as well. Yeah, to try and give the page just some balance as we, set up the whole spread. You can kind of, I used to say like the rule of 3s, but then sometimes I'll have like 4 elements. So it's just creating a nice visual look across your page is mainly what I try to do. So then I'm adding the full box overlays to those full boxes, and then I'm putting down the rest of my half boxes. And I think this, like, here is where I realize, oh snap, I should try and switch some stuff around, but then it won't pull up. And so I'm like, I'm not going to try and fight it. I'm just going to leave it. It looks fine. You can't really tell from a distance, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so I think I am almost done, honestly, with this spread. I'm trying to see about the weekend banner here. I don't like it from either of them. It's just too, the one in the kit, you're not gonna be able to see it, and then the one in the foil pack is just way too big, so I don't like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening to me ramble. If you did like this video, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and see what kind of videos I have here on my channel. I'm standing up here so you can see, or so I can see what's in my monitor. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and I will talk to my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.